Hello everyone, I'm Abnas. I'm back with another free resource video. Yesterday I uploaded resources for DSA and someone commented for AI/ML. So here I'm back with all the resources you need to learn AI/ML and data science. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe and turn on the bell icon. I will bring more videos like this. So let's start the video. Talking about this folder, you'll get a prerequisite for AI/ML. For example, you know that Python is most preferred language for AI/ML or data science. So we have prerequisite resources to learn Python, where we have a DSA in Python. Practice DSA in Python, general Python resources. If we open these individual folder, we will get many resources. For example, Python cheat sheet, Python handwritten notes, yeah, many more. Python interview question, a lot of resources and all are free. I'll attach the drive link in the video description, and if you need more resources then do let me know. I'll share for you. SQL with Python, a lot of resources. So once we are comfortable with Python, we can move to AI/ML and data science. So we have roadmap for AI/ML data science. Go through it. After that, we have a cheat sheet for AI/ML data science. Oh my god, so much resources in a single video. After that, we have interview question for AI/ML data science, AI/ML data science notes. So you will get everything. What you have to do, you have to make a plan what resources you have, and you have to make your own roadmap. Okay. Don't just have the resources, you have to utilize this also. So make your own roadmap after having the resources. So we also have a projects in this PDF. You will get 500 plus AI/ML data science projects and ideas, and the link to the source code. And at last we have some more PDFs. You can go through that. Get job in AI/ML, a single resource for that. Go through all these resources. I will attach the video link in the description, and if you need any more resources for any tool or for any technology, then do comment and support me so that I can bring more videos like this. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.